is not gonna be developed by doctors. I'm really sorry on that. But this is a fact. Who will be finding that is, they will be telling this is right or wrong. But the data analysis, the data segregation will be done by the computer science students. Okay, that is the era and that is the time that you will be having the lot of advantage. Okay, now coming to the medical students. If you get into MBBS, your dental college is very good. If you don't get into that, you should go for research-based programs. You should go for biotechnology, BTech in biotechnology. Biotechnology has a lot of scope in foreign countries. Now, you should go for the health-based program, food technology. Now, you must have noticed earlier, your mothers or everybody used to feed anything. But now, if I have to buy anything, I will check the ingredients and buy. I will never buy a product without checking an ingredients. Health industry, BTech in food technology is gonna be the next engineers that they'll be producing in the medical field. There are gonna be ample amount of government jobs for agriculture department. So these are the basic few programs, pharmacy, BSc agriculture. We are the only private university which is ICAR approved, right? So you can go for these courses when you're talking about for the medical stream. And when I'm talking about the non-medical stream, of course we have the course related to fashion, we have courses related to hotel management, but what I haven't got the interest is, the feedback is, you are very much interested into BTech and that also in BTech computer science, right? So we'll be having a quick review of few things. Slideshow. Okay. So I have already told you the factors that will be important for the university. It is not only the factors that will be important, it will be the accreditation, the placements, industry tie-ups. Here I want to give a focus. You said the most important thing is what? Placement. How good placement comes? The good placement will always come from the first and the foremost thing is the curriculum only. Curriculum is directly proportional to the placements. The second major ingredient is the industry tie-up. See what happens earlier, what used to be the scenario when industry used to, I'm talking about 10 years, 11 years, when I did passed my BTech, right? That time industry used to hire, then industry used to give training to the students. I think sir will definitely agree on that. Industry used to give training, okay? After that, they used to put you in the project. 6 months training industry used to give. Now it's not like that, my dear students. Industry want you to be ready in 4 years. They want to put you directly into the projects. That is the reason we need to provide you, teach you the exact courses which are required into the industry. Got my point? Yes or no? You understanding? So for that,